Okay guys, today we bought our first project car! Today we went to Belgium and we bought this project car of ours, a Ford Mustang. And we are very excited to just have fun, fuck around and try to get it as good as we can.
AKA we're gonna restore this thing. Someday.
Someday in the future, yeah.
And you're gonna be there to see every part of it.
So, let's see what we got as a bonus in this car. Pack of gum. The Toyota CB22 mobile radio. Another pack of gum. Another pack of gum. Another pack of gum. Parking meter. Customer card. Local gas station. Car wash customer card. Aviation insurance. Nice. Cigar tin with fuses, screws, nuts, bolts. Manual for the CB radio. This drive back. We'll check what's in that part of the headlight. Always nice to have.
I don't even think that's our headlight.
Huh?
It's not round enough.
And yours?
But yeah, free headlight.
Free headlight. Always nice.
Forward light.
So, about this car. This is a 1976 Ford Mustang Mach 1. It's a V6 rather than a V8, which is because the American government had to put in new emission norms, smaller engines. It was all the rage back then. They regretted it, they put in a V8 later. But unfortunately for us, this is a 170 cubic inch V6 Cologne engine. The car was built in Dearborn, Michigan, then imported to Belgium from where we bought it as being likely the second or third owner. Apart from that, it's pretty unremarkable for a car like this. It's simple, it's in remarkably good shape, I'll give you that. But when it's done, it's gonna handle like a dream. Boat, because it's an American car, which means it's gonna handle like a boat, but that's it.
Subscribe if you want to see us restore this Mustang to its former glory.
Or not. I mean, who knows what we're gonna do.